Okay, good day everyone. In this video we're going to learn about algebraic properties, which is we already discussed. We already solved about algebraic property when we are going to do addition and subtraction. So what is algebraic properties of equality? So it is in mathematics, equality is a relationship between two mathematical expressions asserting that the quantities have the same values. Okay, so we have algebraic properties of equality help us to justify how we solve equations and inequalities. First, we solve equation using addition and subtraction. Now, we're going to review a little bit about addition property and subtraction. So this property tells us that adding the same number to each side of equation gives us an equivalent equation. So when you are going to solve problems, you're going to change. Okay, as what I've said, you're going to change the sign. From addition or from positive, you're going to change it to negative. If it is in negative side, you're going to add a positive value. So it says that if A minus B is equal to C, so then A minus B plus B equals to C plus B. That's what I've said. So if it is negative A minus B, you're going to add a positive B. And then when you're going to add in the left side, you're going to add as well on the other side, which is in the C part. Next, in subtraction, property of equality, we have this property tells us to subtract, or we are going to subtract the number which is in the same side. Okay, so we are going to subtracting the same number to each side, the left and the right side of equations, so that it will give us an equivalent equation. So if A plus B equals C, so therefore you're going to subtract B. Okay, so here we have A plus B minus B equals to C minus B. So what you're going to do is you just only, the easiest way there, if it is addition, if it is positive, add by a negative. If it is negative, add a positive number. In multiplication, so this one is for 1.7. Multiplication of properties of equality. This property tells us that multiplying the same non-zero number to each side an equation gives us an equivalent equation. So if A over B equals C, and then always remember, in a fraction, if the denominator is 0, is null or no solution. So therefore, it says here non-zero. So you're going to multiply a non-zero value, which gives us A over B. Okay, A over B times B equal to C times B. So whatever you multiply on the left side, you're going to multiply on the right side. The same as in division property. So we have this property tells us that dividing the same non-zero number to each side of an equation gives us equivalent equation that will give us A over B equals C. Then B again is not equal to 0. So therefore you will have now, you're going to divide A times B over B equals to C over B. Okay, so let's try some examples. Okay, for example, we have problems x over negative 7 equal to 15. So here we have in a fraction 4. So therefore, what we are going to do so that this one will become a whole number, or a whole, we have equation. So therefore, we are going to multiply both sides by negative 7. So we have now x over negative 7 times negative 7 equal to 15 times negative 7 as well. So your value of x now, okay, so this one is 1, and then x now, x is equal to 105, which is negative times positive becomes negative. When you're going to check, you just try to check with negative 105 divide by negative 7 equals to 15. So when you are going to divide that one, it will give us 15 equal to 15. Okay, so this one is using multiplication. Another example. Let's try, we have t over 8 equals negative 5. So therefore, we will multiply now t over 8 times 8 equal to negative 5 times 8 as well. Therefore, we will have t equals to negative, we have 40. To check, we have t is equals to negative 40. Negative 40 over 8 equals to negative 5. So negative 5 equal to negative 5. Another example. Okay, let's try this one. How about 3x equal to 33. So here, to simplify the value of x, we're going to divide both sides by 3 over 3. Okay, so therefore x now, this one is 1, so x is equal to 33 divided by 3 is equal to 11. And we're going to check, we have x equal to 11. So therefore 3x equals to 33, and then 3 times 11 equals to 33. Therefore that is 33 equals to 33. So when you are going to multiply, when you are going to divide, be sure, okay, be sure that the number in the left side will make us 1. Okay, so always remember that you are not going to multiply by 0, because if that one you're going to multiply by 0, therefore there will be no solution for that equation. Last example. We have 20x equal to negative 460, which gives us, we have to divide now both sides by 20. Divide this one by, we have 20. Therefore, x equal to, divide this one by 20. So therefore, we will have this one as 2 negative 2, 3. Okay, so therefore, your answer is negative 23. When you are going to check that one again, let x equal to negative 23. And then 20 times negative 23 equal to 400 or negative 460. So therefore, we're going to have now as 6 and 4 and then 0. So therefore, that is negative 460 equal to negative 460. When solving an equation, you're going to have, if you are not sure with your answer, you can do with the checking, so that when you're going to check, that is sure already that you will get the correct answer. If you have questions and clarification, please send an email or comment on the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.